TikTok zone.
And read the winner.
I could just pull someone up from the audience and have them dance with
Okay,
me. Oh
you know
my
what?
God, Jonah, get up here.
Look.
Let's dance. Let's dance.
This is 100% your look, Connie baby.
Let's get it crunk up on that fun.
I'm looking for a man in finance with trust fund. 6'5", blue eyes. Finance, trust fund. 6'5", blue eyes. I'm looking for a man. Finance, trust fund. 6'5", blue eyes. Finance, trust fund. 6'5", blue eyes.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know? How would they know? How would they know? I can't. Oh my god!
Baby. Okay, let's go. Oké, die man, we gaan starten. Nu komt die. Let's move. Here we go. Go on. Come on. The legacy. Go on.
Do you think these gonna pay my mortgage? I've got money.
I know you have.
Listen, Gemma.
I'm claustrophobic, Darren.
Listen.
They don't get it. I'm claustrophobic.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.